ready.
Show us your Fiat, I've been saying the whole time.
You want to see my Fiat? I'll show you my Fiat.
What have you got there? Not your feet.
This is my Fiat.
It's a robot.
It's a Machine Krieger powered suit.
Powered suit.
Yeah.
Does it have lights? Any animatronics?
Not in this one.
Is there a urinating pig?
Not on this one, although I could transfer that over to here.
That could be
quite easy to do.
That could be your thing.
Could it be?
Yeah.
A urinating pig on every single model I'd build. No.
Yeah, like a dancing otter on your Facebook post.
So this is Machine Krieger
Mm-hmm.
suit, which originally is called Raccoon, but I've modified it.
Why did you do that?
Gave it a long gun.
Ooh.
And really long antennas.
Gun envy.
And I've given it this really interesting Waffen SS camouflage pattern.
Waffen SS.
That's a bit naughty. I'm not meant to say that.
Are you?
No. But in World War II...
Tony Gray waffles all the time.
No, doesn't he? He likes to eat them too. Waffles, that is.
Ooh.
Yeah. So that's my entry.
Is that a stone that you've carved that out of? Is that a brick? Have you taken somebody's house brick?
Pick it up and weigh it and feel the weight of it.
Wow. It's light. It's not a brick.
It's not a brick.
It's definitely not a brick.
That's that foam that we have.
Oh, that's an XPS foam.
That's it. That's it.
Ooh.
Let's have a look from the top.
You have a look. I don't want to break it.
You don't want to break it. Why not?
What's the name of the driver? Do you call them drivers?
I don't know. Is that what you call him? A driver?
Does he have a name?
Call a driver?
He's very fair. Is it a he?
It's a she.
I was going to say, I was expecting a scantily clad lass in your mech suits. Don't know why.
Well, she's not wearing anything inside.
You know that because you're her master who built it.
That's right. I know everything.
And you built her with no clothes.
That's right. That's right. So there's a little groundwork I did.
So did you grow that in? Did you grow it in the window?
So Lars grew this.
Oh, this is all synthetic.
So this is Lars here.
Lars Op.
This is Green Stuff World. This stuff is, I'm not too sure, but that was on a piece of paper which I found sitting around here.
American.
And then this stuff is Martin Wahlberg.
All these names of bushes.
Yep. So that's just a block of foam with a bit of
Did you use the box cheese grater on that?
No. I use my homemade hot wire cutter.
Ooh.
It glows red hot. It's pretty scary.
Is it?
Yeah, I plug it into a 3-cell LiPo and it glows red hot.
Wow.
And then there's like kitty litter because, I've got a kitty, so I've got litter.
Kitty litter?
Yeah, just the texture of the base. Most of it's been covered up with
clean?
With green. Yeah, it's a clean stuff straight out of the packet.
Oh,
I don't use the used stuff.
No?
It's the texture here. But...
You're a bloody wizard.
So there you go.
Doesn't have a hand on this side. Is that just a gun?
That's a gun.
Is that what you modified?
I made it extra long, yes. So the normal gun's like a real shorty.
Yep.
I made it super long. And I've got the extra long antenna on it. And here.
Is that so they got 5G?
That's like, I reckon they're up to 700G.
700G.
That's right. There's a few generations there. But yeah.
And it seems quite cramped with the lid on, I imagine.
It would be. It would be. So this is a really famous sort of shape.
It opens and closes.
Yeah. Oh.
Uh-oh.
It's at a funny angle, so I can't. Well, you get the idea. I'll push it down if I had both hands on it. But yeah, that's what it looks like with it all closed.
Fantastic. So this is your entry. Is that your one and only entry into Model X?
No, I'm going to have 2 entries.
Yep.
The other one is still in the cabinet.
Oh, little Pedro.
Pedro.
Is it Pedro?
It can be Pedro. Is Pedro a very English name? Sounded English.
No, Spanish.
Is it? That's close enough.
Yeah.
Family could have come from Spain. Yeah.